Hello and welcome to Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton. So we're taking a look at a 2023 Cadillac XT4 Sport featured in Argent Silver Metallic with a jet black interior. Under the hood sits a 2-liter turbocharged engine paired to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Some features include heated front seats, heated steering wheel, power sunroof, power liftgate, backup camera, and much more. Taking a look at the interior, here's our door. We have memory seating, powered windows and mirrors, liftgate controls down below. Taking a look at these seats here. Down to the bottom left, you'll find the power seating and power lumbar, and we can hop inside. Just to the left is the power park brake and head-up display. Taking a look at the steering wheel, on the left side we have our cruise control with forward collision alert and the heated steering wheel. To the right, our cluster and audio controls. Here's the cluster. And moving on, here we have our infotainment screen, starting off with the audio. Comes equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM, and we can connect a phone using Bluetooth. We also have our map and navigation here, as well as the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Throwing it in reverse, our backup camera. Just below that, we have the climate controls with heated front seats, as well as our parking sensors, hazards, and lane keep assist. In the middle here, we have some extra storage with 2 USBs and a 12-volt. Infotainment screen controls, 2 cup holders, wireless charging pad below, and the center console. Popping that open, storage up top, as well as more down below. Here is the rear view mirror. Just above that, OnStar and SOS with 2 dome lights, universal garage opener, and the power sunroof controls. Here is the sunroof, and here's the other side of the vehicle. Moving on to the exterior, here are the wheels. Color matched mirror caps, door handles with keyless entry, and privacy tint on the rear windows. Making our way to the back, we have the monochromatic Cadillac badge, the blacked out XT4 and all-wheel drive to the left, and we can double click to pop open the back here. We have a ton of storage space back here, rear storage cover that lifts with the liftgate for some extra privacy, lights on either side for added visibility. You can drop these rear seats and making even more space, not to mention the hidden storage down below that houses the spare tire. It is a very spacious rear, and we can close it up by just pushing the button. Now checking out the rear interior, here's our door. We have powered windows, cup holder down below. There's a 60/40 seat split, and we can hop inside. The back of each seat we have magazine holders. In the middle, our rear vents, rear heated seats with 2 USB plugins. Up at the top, handles paired with a dome light, matched on the other side. And in the middle here, we can drop this down to reveal an armrest with 2 cup holders. Get a great view of the power sunroof, and here's a view from the back. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick review of the 2023 Cadillac XT4 Sport. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you here at Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton very soon.